What's up, you guys? It's day 28. I'm really excited. I've only got 2 more days left. Yeah, today I'm going to be doing upper body. I did legs yesterday and I am really sore right now. But yeah, let's get started on upper body so I can get out of here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Whoa, that's 85.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow, that was 85. Alright guys, I can body do arms, but look how big the tries are getting. That's crazy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That hurts. Stay 28. Yeah.
$45. 35. 25. 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Shit, those really hurt today. I'm gonna do 50.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
I did extra abs today because I'm really liking how my body's looking. And I think it's just because it's 30 days in, or almost. But I will catch you guys tomorrow for day 29. If you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Deuce.